Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Pra, a journey towards Sehat or Swat. Today I am going to talk about overweight and obesity problems. Overweight and obesity are increasingly common conditions in almost all over the world. Worldwide, obesity has nearly tripled since 1975. Obesity in India has reached epidemic proportions in the 21st century. In the past 10 years, obese persons are nearly doubled according to the National Family Health Survey. Let me all tell you about overweight and obesity. Overweight and obesity are defined as abnormal or excessive fat accumulation that may impair health. The signs of overweight and obesity include a high BMI, that is body mass index, and an unhealthy body fat distribution that can be estimated by measuring the waist circumference. BMI is defined as the person's weight in kgs divided by square of his height in meters. If the BMI is below 18.5, the person is said to be underweight. BMI falling in range between 18.5 to 24.5 is considered to be healthy. BMI equal to or greater to 25 is said to be overweight, and more than 30 is considered to be obese. The greater the BMI, the greater is the risk of having any kind of health problems. The fundamental causes of the same may be energy imbalances, some genetic and endocrine medical conditions, and certain medicines or drugs which are known to cause obesity. There are many risk factors for overweight and obesity. Some risk factors can be changed, such as unhealthy lifestyle habits and environment, not having adequate sleep, and high amounts of stress. Other risk factors which cannot be changed, such as age, gender, family history, genetic, race, and ethnicity. Raised BMI is the major risk factor for developing many diseases, such as cardiovascular diseases, which were the leading cause of deaths in 2012, diabetes mellitus or the type 2 diabetes, musculoskeletal disorders, especially osteoarthritis, some types of cancers, sleep disorders, sleep apnea, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, some respiratory problems such as asthma. These are the diseases which are associated with overweight and obesity. The key to achieving and maintaining a healthy weight isn't about short-term dietary changes. It's about lifestyle that includes healthy eating, regular physical exercise, balancing calories which you consume and the calories which your body uses, and some behavioral changes. Exercises for losing weight varies from one person to another. Most effectives are brisk walking, jogging, cycling, squats, planks, and some yogasanas are like Surya Namaskar are very good. Surya Namaskar is the best asana. It involves combination of all the asanas for different parts of the bodies. Exercise should not be forcefully done. Rather, you should enjoy and then only changes will happen. Now coming on to the diet part, that is management of this overweight and obesity condition through diet. Under carbohydrate, select whole grain cereals and millets such as jowar, bajra, ragi, etc. Restrict or completely avoid the consumption of refined and processed foods. especially ready to eat meals as they contain lots of hidden sugar and fats. Consume pulses and legumes in the form of sprouts, salads, soups, etc. with lots of vegetables. Increase the intake of raw vegetables and whole fruits rather than juices so as to increase the fiber intake in your diet. Consume nuts like almonds and walnuts in limited quantity though, that is 4 to 5 and 1 to 2 respectively. Animal products such as eggs, fish, lean meat once or twice per week, that also 1 to 2 small pieces. Consume low fat milk and curds on daily basis. Regarding fat consumption, use very less oil in cooking. Avoid fried foods, chips, bakery items, biscuits and junk foods. At least one should have 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Reaching and staying at a healthy weight may be a long-term challenge for those who are already overweight and obese. But maintaining good weight ensures your lower risk for certain health problems. And staying in control of your weight contributes to good health now and as you age. So friends, this was all about overweight and obesity. For any kind of queries or any kind of information, kindly contact at my email address. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and help those who are in need of it by sharing my video. Stay connected and keep watching my channel. Thank you.